Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a gorilla. Take a pencil to draw a grid with 2 squares and divide the middle line into 3 equal parts. Draw a big oval for the chest. Draw a smaller oval and an egg shape for the head. Draw a curve with a semicircle on each side for the eye area. Draw 2 curved legs. Draw the feet with a large curve for the heel and a smaller curve on the other side for the toe. Draw rounded blocky shapes for the fists. Draw 2 big bended arms. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Add some furry curves above the fists and feet. To make fists, we add a thumb and an index finger. Add some curves for the toes. Draw the nose and nostrils, an O-shaped mouth with a curve for the lip, ovals for the eyes, and semicircles for the ears. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Color the fur black with some dark blue lines on the outside edges. The rest we can color brown. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.